Okay, consider the following statements. Education Cess, Health and Cess and Swachh Bharat Cess are example of cess in India. This is actually correct. Okay, so how cess and surcharge is calculated? So imagine income tax, right? So say you have 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh is your income tax liability. This is a tax that you have to pay, right? Say government imposes 10% surcharge on it, and 10% will be 10,000, right? Right. So 10,000 is the surcharge that you have to pay, and surcharge, this was actually calculated on the tax amount. That is why surcharge is a tax on tax. This is the tax amount, it is calculated on the tax amount. Okay, this is not calculated on your income. Your income may be say 10 lakhs. Okay, your income is 10 lakhs. This is your tax liability, income tax liability. This is the surcharge, right? And this amount 1,10,000 is the income tax liability plus surcharge. On that they will impose the cess. Okay, cess is different from surcharge because one, it is actually calculated after surcharge is also included in the amount. Second, it is actually for a specific purpose. Surcharge is not actually fixed or linked to any specific purpose, but cess, like for example health and education cess of 4% is being imposed by the center, right? So 4%. So 1,10,000 4%, right? So it will come out to 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh, it will come to 4,400, right? 4,400, right? Because 1,10,000 and 4, so 4,400. This is the cess amount. Okay, this is the cess amount. Okay, it is calculated on the income tax liability. You calculate the surcharge and then you calculate the cess. Okay, and it is actually it is going into the pool of funds that have an objective, and after the objective is completed, that cess will no longer be levied. Okay, that is the concept of cess. Okay, surcharge is a tax on tax, whereas cess is levied directly on income. Is it correct? No, cess is also levied on tax. And I just explained how cess is also levied. So this is actually wrong. You will reach 1 only will be the answer.